Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Camila's show one more time. For today, we are going to have three special sessions: cooking in home, the best news, and the best movies. Pay attention. Our first session is calling Cooking in Home. Today, I'm going to teach you how make, how prepare, how cook the best for your family. First, in each plate, in each food, you have to cut an entrées plate. Today, we are going to make plátano with ahogado. Okay? For this recipe, you need the next imagine. You need green plantain. You need some tomatoes, one tomato, just one, and one onion. Okay? How is the? How can you prepare this? First, you have to take the plantain green and you have to cut in a little or big or medium pieces. After, you have to put in an oil, in a little hot oil. While the plantain is in the oil, you have to take the tomato and you have to cut in a little piece. And you have to do the same with the onion. When you have you're finished cutting the tomato and onion, you have to put it in a whole little oil. After, you have to take the plantain pieces and you have to put it in a table and you have to trust or you have to be plain. You can do this with something close blue. And when you have ready this, the plantains like this imagine, you can add salt if you want, and after you have to put it in the oil again for a short time. Later, when the plantain was ready, you can serve in a plate with the tomato or ahogado, tomato and onion. Remember, there were in the oil, and you have to serve in the other piece, and you can enjoy. For the lunch, you can prepare this delicious plate. For this delicious plate, that is chuleta with a French fries, you can or you need this, that porky meat portion, the potato, the egg, and the bread. First, you have to take the egg, you have to open and you have to boil, okay? And you have to add a little salt. After, you have to take the porky meat portion and you have to pass it for the egg and for the bread beef. It's like this, okay? When it was ready, you have to put it in a oil, in a hot oil. Yeah, well, the porky meat is in oil. You have to take the potatoes and you have to prepare like a fresh freeze, okay? Like this, like this, okay? Remember. And when it was ready, you have to add some salt and you have to put it in the oil again, okay? And when the porky meat was ready and the French friends are ready, you can serve in a plate and you can add lemon or some pieces of tomato if you want, only if you want. But the chuleta is better with lemon all the life. Okay, continue. Nothing is most important in a lunch like a dessert. Okay, for today I'm going to teach you to prepare a flan or a dessert. It's a chocolate flan. First, you can go to the supermarket. It's very easy, and you can buy a portion or a piece to the flan or chocolate flan. Okay, and you only need one milk. For prepare, you have to serve a 1 cup of milk, and you have to add the chocolate flan, and you have to dissolve. And when it is dissolved, you have to serve in a plate, in a cup, in a cup, the recipe that you have, and you have to save in the refrigerator. When it was a very keeper or very safe in the plate, you have to eat. You can add, for example, uh, a milk, a more milk. You can add chocolate chips, everything that you want, but it is delicious. Okay, this is for cooking in home. Our second session is calling the best news. And with this man, obviously, is the best. Everybody know who is John Cena, okay? He's the more handsome man in the world. Okay, okay. Don't fight with your husband. It's beautiful too. But now, today we are going to talk about John Cena. Pay attention for this news. John Cena will be in a WrestleMania 35. The WWE confirmed that his presence in this concourse or in this boxing concourse. John Cena and their fans can't wait for this event because everybody in the world is waiting for him win again. Congratulations for Cena again. Oh my god, it's beautiful too, no? Okay. Our second best news is very important for all the lovely of technology. Oh my god, if your home is obviously that there are a computer, a cell phone, I don't know, and the smart TV, maybe? It's obviously. But this is a important news for every person that use the technology every day in their life. ANOVA is a new technology too that can give you the better prices on the old news in the technology software. It's like, for example, if the people like to use some applications, this is better. ANOVA can you inform it what is the better application for your necessities. And the last is for some persons, Colombia, Filipinas, and the USA have a big problem. A lot of persons are using some drugs like alcohol, heroin, weed, a lot of drugs, and this is a big problem right now because the people is dying for this cause The consequence of the drugs are using sunlight, and the police has seeking a strategy for be more or less the using of these drugs. But this is a incorrect idea because the people prefer kill himself or their self um, for the consequence, legal consequence, emotional consequence, psychological consequence, familiar consequence for these sentences. It's a time to pray. It's a time to say God that save us and save the people to use these drugs. But wait for third session is the best. This is a new for the lovely sinus room or cinema room. Did you see this image? If you see this, you know about what we are talking right now. This is a new movie in the cinemas run. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Her name or its name is Unbroken Love. It's a wonderful, a romantic, Christian, and familiar movie. This is a movie to talk about that a teenager or a yes, is the teenager that he follow in underwater and he has or he was in the hospital for a long time. While he was in the hospital, his mother don't stop to pray for his life. This is a movie that I love because can share us, can show us the God love, and it's a special movie. This movie was created in this year in April. It's a wonderful in USA. Heaven it has a beautiful spacious beautiful pictures and it's do it perfect with the perfect decoration with the perfect scenario. It's a wonderful movie. Personally, I I can identify with the mother because I'm mother that a beautiful princess. Um, and this mother never stopped to pray and never stopped to believe in the God words, and it's very special. I think that the name is perfect for this movie. Is special and try to create conscience about the God power in our life in everything that He did. Um, you don't lose this movie. You should have to go to see this movie because it's very special and has a tissue for you. Okay, everyone, it was a pleasure give you this show one more time, and I say to you, bye bye, ladies, bye bye, guys.